Hello everyone! Stranger Things Season 4 was amazing, so in today's tutorial I want to show you how I made this welcome to Hawkins sign invaded by the upside down. I started printing the letters. You can find the template in my Pinterest. I will leave the link in the description. Stick to white cardboard using tape so when we cut the letters, paper stays in place. I recommend you to cut the inner part of the letter first. I placed the white letters in thick cardboard, but the piece was too small, so I decided to use illustration board, place the letters, and cut a rectangle. I framed it using washi tape and painted the outline mixing white and a bit of rust red. This is acrylic paint. I like to use a sponge because it provides a better texture. When it's dry, use the same washi tape to frame the center and paint it rust red. If you don't find acrylic paint rust red, you can mix red, a little bit of warm brown with a dot of yellow, and there you have it. The background has to look like age-worn, so I painted it a little messy. And once it's dry, I placed my ruler to distribute the letters and glue them down. This sign could be finished like that. It's really pretty, but now Hawkins is invaded by the upside down. So let's make some lianas or branches. I'm not sure. You know, those tentacles from the upside down? In a cup with water, added green paint and white glue and mixed everything together. Then took a piece of toilet paper and soaked in the mixture. I squeezed the excess a little bit and placed the tentacle in a plastic bag. I shaped it a little more with my fingers and made 3 more in kind of different sizes and shapes to have some options to play with. I placed the lianas out in the sun so they dry faster. Maybe 1 day in the sun is enough. And when it's dry, you can cut the little spare around the branch and try different positions before glue them down to the sign. Once you decide what's better for you, you can go ahead and stick them down. I think it's nice to have a bigger one, over the letters. And to be honest, the color in the upside down is always confusing for me. There's gray and now it's red, but I prefer green, like Dart in season 2. So that's why my lianas are green. And now I'm gonna paint on them with dark green and a little bit of brown and yellow and drops of red, because in season 4 we saw a lot of red. Honestly, I don't have like a technique. I just painted trying to make it look messy and dirty, and I really like the result, but to make it seem like wet or slimy, I put a thick coat of clear glue. You can use nail polish or also white glue. When it dries, it's kind of shiny. And now it's finished. It's the perfect decoration for Stranger Things fans. I hope you love it as much as I do. And let me know if you want more Stranger Things DIYs or if you want to see the rest of my fandom signs in this post. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.